are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to explore how to build a quiz application. So whether you are a new developer who wants to create your own popular trivia app or a businessman who wants to engage their audience, then this video will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. Why to build a quiz application? Quiz apps are super popular because they combine fun and learning. They allow users to test their knowledge, compete with friends, and discover new topics at the same time. For businesses, quiz apps are a fantastic way to engage their audience, gather insights, and boost brand awareness. With millions of people playing quiz apps daily, the market is ripe for innovative ideas that can capture users' interest and stand out. So here are some IMP must-have features for your application. First, user-friendly interface. Your app should have a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. Users should be able to jump into quizzes with minimal efforts and understand how the game works instantly. Second, variety of quiz types. Offer different quiz formats like multiple choice, true false, and time challenges. This variety keeps users engaged and eager to try different types of quizzes. Third, leaderboard and social sharing. Incorporate leaderboards to create a competitive edge and allow users to share their scores on social media. This not only increases the engagement but also helps your app to reach more people. Fourth and the last, we have regular content updates. So keep your app fresh by regularly adding new quizzes and topics. Users are more likely to return if there's always something new to explore. Now let's talk about the development process. Here's a quick guide to get you all started. First, planning and design. So begin with the planning of your application of features and design the user interface. Sketch out how your app will look, what features you want. So this step will crucially help you to ensure a smooth user experience. Second, we have choosing the right technology. So choose a tech stack that fits your needs. For cross-platform, you can go for React Native, which is a great choice, and for backend services, you can use Firebase, will handle everything like data and quiz content management. Third, we have development. So start with the backend, setting up the user engagement, stack quiz data, and tracking the scores. And then you can move to the front end, making sure it's responsive and intuitive. Fourth, we have testing. So testing is a very crucial part of any application process. So test your app on multiple devices so that you can fix each and every bug. You can also use Firebase Test Lab or Test Flight here to help you. Fifth, we have launching and marketing. So once your app is fully done, you can submit it or launch it through Apple Store or Google Store. And here you should use promote your applications through social media, through influencers or other marketing stuff to attract the audience. So this was all about how to build your own application. So at our company, we specialize in developing quiz apps that are not only visually appealing but also high performing. Whether you need a full development support or assistance with a specific part of the process, we are here to help you out. From planning and designing to development and testing, we provide end-to-end services. Plus, we offer continuous support to keep your app running smoothly and updated with fresh content. Also, you can go and visit our website, which is linked in the description, and you can go and watch the pamphlets of how our application really looks. So if you need any further support, you can directly contact us through the contact number given below. And friends, that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon. And if you have any comment or any doubt you want us to solve, please comment below. For further information, you can visit our website and feel free to contact us. Thank you and have a great day ahead.